Your life is your life. Don't let it be clubbed into dank submission. Beyond the watch, there is a light somewhere. It may not be much light, but it beats the darkness. And the more often you learn to do it, the more light there will be. Your life is your life. Know it while you have it. If you're going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start. You will be alone. Isolation is the gift. All the others are a test of your endurance, of how much you really want to do it, despite rejection and the worst odds. And it will be better than anything else you can imagine. If you're going to try, go all the way.